Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello. Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Really happy.
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your job in English.
This is really important.
People ask about your job all the time.
When you meet someone new, they ask about your job.
At parties, at social events, everywhere.
Even at the doctor's office, they might ask.
And we'll keep it simple.
You don't need complicated English to talk about your job.
Simple English is perfect.
And remember, every job is important.
Don't feel embarrassed about your job.
Every job matters.
Whether you're a doctor, a teacher, a driver, or a cleaner.
Every job is valuable.
So let's start with a basic question.
People usually ask, "What do you do?"
This means, what is your job?
They're not asking what you're doing right now.
They're asking about your work.
Listen again. What do you do?
Try it. Say, what do you do?
Pause.
Good.
Sometimes people ask differently.
They might say, what do you do for work?
Or, what do you do for a living?
These all mean the same thing.
They all mean, what is your job?
Now let's learn how to answer.
The easiest way is to say, I work as, and then your job.
Listen, I work as a teacher.
I work as a nurse.
I work as a driver.
I work as a salesperson.
Try it with your job. Say, I work as, and your job title.
Pause.
Great job.
Don't worry if you don't know the exact English word for your job.
You can describe it simply.
Like, I work in an office.
Or, I work in a store.
That's okay too.
Now, you can also say where you work.
Use I work at and then the place.
Listen, I work at a hospital.
I work at a school.
I work at a restaurant.
I work at a factory.
Try it. Say I work at and where you work.
Pause. Excellent.
You can put both together.
Listen, I work as a teacher at a school.
Or, I work as a nurse at a hospital.
Or, I work as a cook at a restaurant.
Try it. Say your job and where you work.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now, what if you work from home?
That's very common now.
Many people work from home.
Just say, I work from home.
Listen, I work from home.
Try it. I work from home.
Pause.
Good.
You can add what you do.
Like, I work from home as a writer.
Or, I work from home in customer service.
Try adding your job. I work from home as...
Pause.
Great.
Now, what if you have two jobs?
Some people have two jobs.
That's okay. You can say both.
Listen, I work as a teacher and I also work at a bookstore.
Or you can just mention your main job.
That's fine too.
What if you're looking for a job?
That's okay too. Don't feel embarrassed.
Many people are looking for jobs.
It's completely normal.
Just say, I'm looking for a job.
Listen, I'm looking for a job.
Try it. I'm looking for a job.
Pause. This is a normal answer.
Nobody will judge you.
You can also say what kind of job.
Like, I'm looking for a job in sales.
Or, I'm looking for a job at a hospital.
Or, I'm looking for a job in customer service.
Try it. Say what kind of job you're looking for.
Pause. Good job.
What if you're a student?
That's a good answer too.
Say, I'm a student.
Listen, what do you do? I'm a student.
Try it. I'm a student.
Pause.
Perfect.
You can add what you study.
Like, I'm a student, I study nursing.
Or, I'm a student, I study business.
Now let's practice with a real conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, I'm Megan. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Megan. I'm David. Nice to meet you too.
What do you do, David?
I work as a teacher at a high school.
Oh, nice. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Did you hear that? simple and clear.
I said my job and where I work.
Then Megan asked another question,
So I added more information.
but the first answer was simple.
Let's hear another conversation.
What do you do for work?
I work from home. I'm a writer.
Oh, interesting. What do you write?
Mostly articles for websites.
See? Just a few words.
That's all you need.
Let's hear one more.
So what do you do?
I'm looking for a job right now. I used to work in sales.
Oh, okay. Good luck with the job search.
Thank you.
Did you hear that? Megan was honest.
I said I'm looking for a job.
And David was supportive.
Nobody judged.
Now, let's practice together.
I'll ask you the question.
What do you do?
Answer with your job. Say, I work as or I work at.
Or say, I'm looking for a job or I'm a student.
Pause. Good. Let's try again.
So, what do you do for work?
Answer again. You can say it a different way. Pause.
Excellent.
Now, David will ask you.
What do you do for a living?
Answer out loud.
Pause.
Great job.
You're speaking English about your job.
That's a big step.
Now, let me tell you something important.
Some people feel embarrassed about their job.
Please don't feel that way.
Every job is honest work.
If you clean offices, that's important work.
If you drive a taxi, that's important work.
If you work in a factory, that's important work.
Never feel embarrassed.
Just answer honestly. I work as a cleaner.
I work as a driver.
I work in a factory.
All of these are good answers.
And another thing,
Some of you might not know the English word for your job.
that's okay.
You can describe it simply.
Like, I work with food.
Or I work with cars.
Or I work with computers.
People will understand.
Let's review what we learned.
The question is, what do you do?
Or, what do you do for work?
To answer, say, I work as and your job title.
Or say, I work at and the place.
You can say, I work from home.
You can also say, I'm looking for a job or I'm a student.
All of these are good answers.
Don't be embarrassed about your job.
Every job is important.
And every answer is valid.
In part 2, we're going to learn more.
We'll talk about what you do at your job every day.
Your daily tasks.
And how to make small talk with coworkers.
Small talk means short, friendly conversations.
This is really useful at work.
See you in part 2.
You're doing amazing.
Really amazing.
Welcome back to part 2.
Thank you for continuing with us.
We're so proud of you for learning.
In part 1, we learned how to say what your job is.
We learned I work as and I work at.
We learned I work from home.
And I'm looking for a job.
Now let's talk about what you do at your job.
Your daily tasks.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
You can describe your job in just a few words.
Let's start with some examples.
If you're a teacher, you can say, I teach students.
Or I teach children.
If you're a nurse, you can say, I help patients.
Or I take care of patients.
If you're a driver, you can say, I drive a truck.
Or I drive a taxi.
If you're a salesperson, you can say, I help customers.
Or I sell products.
Simple, just one sentence.
Think about your job. What do you do every day?
Try to say it in English, one simple sentence.
Pause.
Good job.
Let's hear some more examples.
I work with computers.
I answer phone calls.
I serve customers.
I fix things.
I cook food.
I clean offices.
I manage a team.
I work with numbers.
These are all perfect descriptions.
Very simple and clear.
Now let's practice a conversation.
Listen.
What do you do, Megan?
I work as a manager at a store.
Oh, nice. What do you do there?
I help customers and manage the team.
Did you hear that? Simple and clear.
First, I said my job title.
Then I described what I do.
Let's try another one.
I work from home as a designer.
What do you design?
I design websites for companies.
Oh, cool.
Very simple.
Now let me ask you.
Think about your job. What do you do every day?
Can you say it in one sentence?
Try it now. Say what you do.
Pause.
Good.
Even if you're not sure, that's okay.
You're practicing.
Now let's talk about small talk at work.
Small talk means short, friendly conversations.
Like in the morning when you see a coworker.
You can say, "Good morning, how are you?"
Try it. Good morning, how are you?
Pause.
Good.
Your coworker might say, "I'm good. Busy day today."
You can answer, yeah, me too.
Or, "Yeah, same here."
Let's listen to this conversation.
"Good morning, Megan."
Good morning, David. How are you?
"I'm good. A little tired. How about you?"
Same. I'm okay though. Ready for the day.
"Yeah, me too. Have a good one."
You too.
Did you hear that? Very natural.
Just a short, friendly conversation.
You don't need to talk a lot.
Just a few words.
Now let's hear another workplace conversation.
Hey, David. How's it going?
Good, good. Just working on the report. You?
Same. Lots to do today.
Yeah, always.
See? Very short.
But friendly.
Now let's talk about something important.
What if work is difficult right now?
What if you're stressed or busy?
It's okay to say that.
You can say, I'm busy.
Listen, how's work? I'm busy, very busy.
Try it. I'm busy.
Pause. Good.
You can also say, I'm really busy today.
Or I'm so busy this week.
Try it. I'm really busy today.
Pause. Good. You can also say, I'm learning.
This is good if your job is new.
Or if you're doing something new at work.
Listen, how's the new job? Good, I'm still learning.
Try it. I'm still learning.
Pause.
Perfect.
This is an honest answer.
And it's okay to be learning.
Everyone learns at work.
You can say, it's going well if things are good.
Listen, how's work? It's going well, I'm happy.
Try it. It's going well.
Pause.
Great.
Or you can say, it's okay.
This means it's not bad, not great. Just okay.
Listen, how's work? It's okay, same as always.
Try it. It's okay.
Pause.
Good.
Now let's practice some work conversations.
I'll be your coworker. We're at work.
Hey, how's work today?
Now you answer. Say how work is.
You can say, it's good, or I'm busy, or it's okay.
Pause. Good. Let's try another one.
Good morning, you look busy.
Answer. Maybe say, yeah, I'm busy, or yeah, lots to do.
Pause.
Excellent.
One more.
How's the new project going?
Answer. You can say it's going well, or I'm working on it, or I'm still learning.
Pause. Perfect. You're doing so well.
Now let's talk about asking coworkers questions.
You can ask your coworkers about their work too.
This is friendly.
You can ask, how's your day going?
Or, how's everything?
Or how's the project?
Try asking, how's your day going?
Pause. Good.
Let's hear a conversation.
Hey, David, how's your day going?
Pretty good, busy, but good. How about you?
Same, just trying to finish this report.
Yeah, I have one of those too.
Did you hear that? Both of us asked each other.
That's a natural conversation.
Both people talk.
Now let's practice one more full conversation.
I'll be your coworker. We're at work.
Good morning.
Answer. Say good morning back.
Pause. How are you today?
Answer. Say how you are.
Pause.
Me too. How's your week going?
Answer. Say how your week is.
Pause. Yeah, I know what you mean. Well, have a good day.
Say you too, or thanks, you too.
Pause. Perfect. That was a complete workplace conversation.
You did great.
Let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
We learned to say I work as and your job.
We learned I work at and the place.
We learned to describe what you do, like I help customers.
We learned small talk phrases, like good morning, how are you?
We learned to say I'm busy, or I'm learning, or it's going well.
We learned to ask coworkers, how's your day going?
These phrases work every day at work.
You can use them starting tomorrow.
Let me tell you something.
When you start using English at work, you might feel nervous.
That's normal.
Everyone feels nervous.
But your coworkers will be happy you're trying.
They'll respect you for speaking English.
Even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
The important thing is to try.
Now here's your challenge.
This week, try to use English at work.
Just one sentence.
Say good morning to a coworker.
Or answer I'm busy when someone asks how you are.
Or say how are you to someone.
Just one sentence. That's all.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
And remember, start small.
Don't try to have a long conversation.
Just one sentence.
Then next week, try 2 sentences.
Build your confidence slowly.
That's the best way.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're so proud of you.
See you next time.
Keep practicing. You're doing great.
Really great.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.